The richest person you have never heard of probably did something today that would bore you to tears. No flashy trade, no secret crypto tip, no 3 a.m. hustle session. Just something quiet, repetitive, almost embarrassingly simple. And they did it again yesterday, and the day before that, for years. Here is the uncomfortable truth nobody wants to put in a thumbnail. Boring is not the opposite of wealth building. Boring is the mechanism of wealth building. The flashy stuff you see online, the trading screenshots, the get-rich-quick reveals, that is not where wealth actually comes from, for the overwhelming majority of people who build it and keep it. It comes from something so unremarkable that it never gets discussed, never gets celebrated, and never goes viral. You have probably already dismissed habits like this in your own life. You have heard them before. You rolled your eyes. They sounded too small to matter. That dismissal is the exact reason your financial life has not changed, despite knowing, on some level, what you are supposed to be doing. By the end of this video, you are going to understand why the most boring financial habits on earth are quietly responsible for almost every meaningful fortune ever built, and more importantly, why your brain is specifically wired to underestimate them. Let us start here. A study following self-made millionaires found that the overwhelming majority did not get there through a single big break, a windfall, an inheritance, or a lucky investment. They got there through decades of unremarkable, repetitive financial behavior, consistent saving, consistent investing, consistent avoidance of lifestyle inflation. Nothing in their story would make an interesting movie, and that is precisely the point. Think about a single drop of water hitting a stone. One drop does nothing. You would not even notice it happened. But across enough time, that same boring, repetitive drop carves canyons into solid rock. Nobody is impressed watching drop number 1007. There is no dramatic moment to point to. There is only the accumulated, invisible erosion of something that used to be solid, slowly reshaped into something entirely different. This is exactly what boring financial habits do to your net worth. No single instance looks like anything. The shape only becomes visible decades later, and by then it looks like magic to everyone who was not paying attention the whole time. Here is why your brain specifically struggles to value this kind of progress. Human psychology evolved to notice and reward immediate, visible results. A kill, a harvest, a clear win you could see right away. Boring, compounding habits offer none of that. They offer the opposite: invisible progress for long stretches of time, followed by results so delayed that your brain genuinely struggles to connect the cause to the effect. This is why a flashy stock tip feels more emotionally real to you than an automatic monthly transfer into an index fund. Even when the data overwhelmingly favors the boring option, your brain rewards drama. Wealth rewards patience. Those two things are very rarely the same thing. And here is where it gets genuinely strange. The habits we are about to walk through are not secret. You already know about most of them. They are sitting in plain sight, mentioned constantly, easy to find, free to start today. And yet a relatively small percentage of people actually practice them consistently. Why would something so simple, so accessible, so repeatedly proven remain so rare? That contradiction is the real mystery at the center of this entire video, and once you understand the answer, you are going to look at your own financial behavior completely differently. Because the problem was never access to information. You already have access to everything you are about to hear. The problem is something else entirely, something psychological, something almost nobody names directly, and the moment you see it clearly, the gap between knowing what to do and actually doing it starts closing for the first time. Here is the real answer to that mystery. The gap between knowing and doing exists because boring habits do not feel like progress while you are doing them, and humans are wired to abandon things that do not feel like progress, even when those things are quietly working. This is the first boring habit, and you already know it. Automatic investing. A fixed amount, moving on a fixed schedule, into a diversified fund, no matter what the market is doing that day. Here is the data that should make you stop scrolling past this idea. A long-term analysis of dollar-cost averaging, the technical term for this exact habit, found that investors who automated consistent contributions over multi-decade periods significantly outperformed investors who tried to time their entries based on market conditions, news, or gut feelings. Not slightly outperformed, significantly. The people trying to be clever lost to the people who simply showed up on autopilot every single month. Why does this happen? Because timing the market requires being right twice. Right about when to get out, and right about when to get back in. Most people, including professionals managing billions of dollars, fail at this consistently. Automation removes the requirement to be right at all. It just requires you to be consistent. And consistency, unlike timing, is something almost anyone can actually do. Here is the second boring habit, and this one is almost insultingly simple: living below your means, by a small, sustainable margin, instead of an extreme, unsustainable one. Notice the distinction here, because this is where most people get it wrong. This is not about deprivation. Extreme restriction fails almost every single time because it is psychologically unsustainable, and the moment it breaks, it tends to break catastrophically, often into the exact overspending it was trying to prevent. The boring version is different. A gap of just 10 to 15% between what you earn and what you spend, maintained consistently for decades, invested rather than left idle, produces extraordinary results purely because it never breaks. It is sustainable precisely because it is boring. There is nothing dramatic enough about it to provoke rebellion against your own rules. Here is the third boring habit, and it might be the most underrated of all: paying off high-interest debt aggressively before doing almost anything else. This sounds obvious when you hear it, which is exactly why people skip past it looking for something more sophisticated. But consider this. Credit card interest rates in America regularly sit above 20% annually. There is no investment, no side hustle, no clever financial strategy that reliably and consistently beats a guaranteed 20% return. And that is effectively what you get by eliminating debt charging that rate. Paying off debt is not the boring cousin of investing. Mathematically, in many cases, it is the best investment available to you. Just one without a chart, a ticker symbol, or anything exciting enough to post about. Here is the fourth boring habit: reviewing your finances on a fixed schedule, monthly, the same day every time, instead of reactively, only when something feels wrong. This single shift moves you from a fear-based relationship with money, where you check in only during moments of anxiety, to a structural relationship with money, where checking in is simply part of how your life operates, regardless of how you feel that day. Over time, this single habit dramatically reduces the emotional volatility most people associate with their entire financial life. Not because the numbers changed, but because the relationship to checking them did. Notice something about all four of these habits so far. None of them require a special skill. None of them require extra income. None of them require timing, talent, or luck. They require something far rarer than any of those things. And it is the exact thing we need to talk about next, because it is the one ingredient tying every boring habit together, the one thing that actually determines whether any of this works at all, regardless of how much you already know. That ingredient is repetition without reward. Not motivation, not discipline. Exactly, though it gets mistaken for that constantly. Repetition without reward means doing the same unglamorous thing over and over, for years, without anything happening that feels like proof it is working. No applause, no dopamine hit, no visible milestone most months. Just the quiet repetition of a decision you made once, executed automatically, long after the excitement of making that decision has completely worn off. Here is the fifth and final boring habit, and it is the one that ties everything else together. Treating your financial plan like a system you trust, not a decision you have to keep remaking. Most people fail not because they lack a good plan. They fail because they treat the plan as something to be reevaluated emotionally every single month, based on how the market feels, how their year is going, how confident they happen to feel that particular week. A system, by contrast, runs regardless of how you feel about it. You do not renegotiate with it. You do not pause it because the news looked scary. You built it once, during a moment of clarity, specifically so you would not have to rely on clarity every single day going forward. Because clarity, unlike a system, is not something you can count on consistently showing up. Here is the real reason boring habits overturn lives without anyone noticing. They are not boring because they are unimportant. They are boring because they are invisible while they are working. You do not feel your net worth growing during any single month of automatic investing. You do not feel the absence of debt interest compounding against you. You do not feel the 10% gap between your spending and your income doing anything dramatic in real time. The results only become visible retroactively, often years later, when someone looks at your financial life from the outside and assumes something exciting must have happened to get you there. Nothing exciting happened. Something boring happened, correctly, for a very long time. This is why so many people quietly outpace others who earned significantly more than them over the same period. Not because they were smarter, not because they got lucky, because they built something invisible and trusted it long enough for it to become undeniable. So here is the actual challenge hiding inside this entire video. It was never about learning these 5 habits. You already half knew most of them before you clicked on this. The real challenge is whether you can tolerate doing something boring, correctly, for long enough that it stops being boring and starts being your life, quietly transformed in a way nobody around you will notice until it is already done. If this video helped you see boring for what it actually is, subscribe, because every single week we break down the quiet, unglamorous mechanics that actually build real financial lives. Drop a like if even one of these habits called you out a little. It genuinely helps more people find this video before they give up on something that was actually working the whole time. And if you know someone chasing something flashy while ignoring something boring that would actually work, send them this. Sometimes the most important thing you can do for someone's financial future is remind them that boring was never the problem.